Forgiveness is a process of letting go, freeing your memories, heart, and mind from the burden of past hurt. While it might be easy to talk about, putting it into action can be challenging, as the mind tends to hold on to grievances. Recognizing that it's natural for the mind to cling to these feelings, especially when wounds run deep, is an essential first step towards forgiveness. Granting yourself the permission to acknowledge and be with these emotions is crucial. Many of us have experienced wrongs, either self-inflicted or caused by others, which resulted in lingering pain and resentments. Holding on to grudges can make life miserable, affecting us emotionally, mentally, and even physically with increased stress and blood pressure. By holding on to past pain, we unknowingly punish ourselves and hinder our happiness and joy in various aspects of life. Forgiveness is the only way to release the weight of resentment and find relief from this burden. It might be difficult to accept, but it's a necessary truth that allows us to move forward and regain our peace. So, how to prepare for forgiveness? Understand the true essence of forgiveness. It involves consciously freeing yourself from burdens, pain, and resentment without condoning what happened or absolving the doer of blame. Embrace your feeling honestly. Identify the emotions associated with the pain you have experienced, such as grief, shame, sorrow, confusion, guilt, or anger. Analyze the pain's source and explore if there are healthier ways to cope with it. Share your feelings with someone you trust. Expressing your emotions can offer relief and new perspective, even though the pain may not vanish entirely. Challenge your thinking. Try reframing the situation in a different light, finding reasons to believe that what happened served a purpose or taught you valuable lessons. Alternatively, attempt to understand the doer's actions empathetically, recognizing that humans make mistakes, due to past conditioning and circumstances. Take a small step towards moving forward. Waiting for the right moment won't help. Engage in self-compassionate actions like writing a letter or having conversation to initiate the healing process. Remember, you are not alone. Many have faced similar situations, made mistakes, and found ways to overcome and move forward. Avoid the blame game. Blaming others may offer temporary relief, but it sustains negativity and hinders personal growth. Be mindful of how you share your feelings and avoid over exaggeration for sympathy. Be patient and practice positive thinking. Healing takes time, and some pains may linger longer than others. Understand that it's a natural phase, and with time, wounds will eventually heal. Forgiveness is a gradual process that requires patience and self-compassion. One effective approach is practicing mindfulness regularly, as it helps build the capacity to let go of negative emotions. Simultaneously consider giving yourself a mental shift by exploring positive and inspiring possibilities for your life. Think of a new passion or goal that aligns with your interests. For instance, if you are a businessman, you might explore starting a sport, learning music, or pursuing any other activity that resonates with you. Embrace these signals positively and take steps towards them, as they might fill a void within you in a positive way and add a new dimension to your personality, shaping you into an entirely different person.